Good morning, it's Jimmy again, and today we have something of a time machine, and it is not a DeLorean. What we have instead is a 1983 Mercury Grand Marquis sedan. So, but first, if you like what you've been watching, please do hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notify bell so that you actually get notified whenever I do a new one. And if you like it, please check that out too, or note the like box. Anyway, let's take a closer look because this thing is in pretty much immaculate condition and somebody junked it. So 1983 is the first year that the Mercury Grand Marquis was its own model. Obviously the body dates back a few years to a few years earlier. It's obviously the Panther platform, same as a Ford Crown Victoria, but 83 is when it became a standalone. So let's take a look at this because it is just remarkably complete. I mean, it's super cool. And I mean, is it the most exciting car in the world to drive? No. Is it one of the more comfortable cars to drive for a long freeway trip? Heck yeah. This thing is, these are cool. This and obviously the GMB bodies of the day, Caprices and Impalas are obviously direct competitors. A lot of people like the B bodies better. Some people like the Panthers better. I can go either way, but I do kind of have a soft spot for these. So, and this one's pretty loaded, it looks like. So even, you know, it's got the vinyl top that looks in fantastic shape. Actually, the stitching's in great shape. It's not corroded. Got the Grand Marquis logo right there. Actually, it's the half top, so it's the Landau top, I guess. Got the opera lights there, and just, I mean, this thing is just, it's immaculate. I don't know what to say. All the hubcaps are there. There's no damage to it. So let's take a close look all the way around. Obviously, you've got the very imposing, very American style, big chrome toothy grille. Great hood ornament here. I like that. The Mercury script. Double sealed beams. Love having a license plate on the side. It's just very Hawaii 5.0 is kind of what I always think of for some reason. It's neat. No reason it couldn't have been in the middle, but it just wasn't. So I like it. It's big wraparound corner lights here. Or these are the corner lights, I guess these are the marker lights. So these light up when you put the signal on, which is neat to help light your way. Got these great wheels. No, these are actually wheels, huh? Yeah, wheels with the center caps. Oh, that's neat. So these tires date back from 2009, but kind of cool. Let's go around the back. Obviously a giant trunk back here. A little oddly shaped, but there's the spare. This is what is this? A Uniroyal Royal Seal. Is that an original spare from when it was first made? Yeah, I think that's the original spare from 83. That's neat. That would have gone up on the shelf there. And then you had a fairly deep well, but obviously a very high lift over height here. Got these ginormous taillights in fantastic condition. That's neat. It's nothing more American than a big full width light bar. I love that. This one may have seen some body work or paint work at some point. The logo, I think, should have been further over to the left, and the Mercury one further over to the right. But it looks in good shape. I don't see any overspray or anything, so not bad. This was sold new at Johnny Haas in Denver. Or I guess it was sold new. Gotta love how it's slightly crooked. Although, well, if that was moved, then who knows? Maybe that's not original. But very big. So let's see. Fuel flap, obviously here. Unleaded fuel only, naturally. Thermoguard protected. Let's go take a look at the inside though, because this is, oh, it's just, I mean, look at this. Plush velour, full complement of locks and windows there. You've got the vent window here. Is this for the vent? Why is it not opening? Huh. Well, we'll check the other side. I don't know. It's not opening, so maybe something's not so great. Anyway, big steering wheel here. That's actually, I think that was shared with the smaller LTD2s also. Lights, vents. Not much in the way of gauges. 85 mile an hour speedometer. Lots of warning lights. This shows 39,294 miles, which is probably 139, but maybe not, because the condition of this thing is just fantastic. AC, got the Ford electronic auto reverse tape deck there. Got the clock. Ride engineered, it says over there. We'll go around to the other side and take a look though. But look at these pillowy, soft velour seats. Big armrests. Oh yeah. Everyone gets their own. I like that. In the back seat. See, a lot of people say these aren't as spacious as the B bodies. This looks pretty spacious to me, so I don't think I'd have a problem with this thing at all. Kind of digging it. Look at the headliner. I mean, it's just soft, cushy, goes all the way back. That's neat. You've got the wood trim here. Everyone gets their own ashtray, of course, back when everybody still smoked, like the chimney. Oh, I want to check something else. Let's see. So here's the VIN. So this is built in 1082, so October 82. So this is an early 83. Serial number ends in 09718. So yeah, pretty interesting. And these were built, is it Missouri? Hazelwood? Or Hazelwood, New Jersey? Or Canada, I think. I'm not quite sure on that, actually. But let's pop the hood too, because we're going to want to look at that. And let's go around to the other side first, because I want to check that vent window, see if that thing actually opens. Let's see. All right. Yeah. I think it's just stuck. Yeah, there we go. Got these vent windows, awesome. Just get more of a breeze in. Love that. That's a big chunky metal knob. That's cool. I love that. So let's see here. Ride engineered, so probably a very soft ride. Big, lots of wood. For such a giant car, you have a minuscule glove box. This could not have held much, but you definitely have the ashtray. Nice carpets. Ford right there, obviously same as the Ford Mercury. Let's check out the engine here. So let's see if I can get this open. There we go. All right, there's the 302. It would have been the 4.9, not quite the 5 liter that they named the 5 liter and everything else, and this obviously. For this year 83, I believe it was limited to 130 horsepower, which is pretty amazing how little that is for a 5 liter, 4.9 liter V8. The next year it went up to 140, and then it went up more beyond that, and obviously quite a bit higher as the decade went by and went into the new decade. Well, and now the 5 liter is obviously a powerhouse again. At one point it was replaced by the 4.6 in the 90s, but yeah, so this is a very complete 302. Not bad. Man, sure is a reach though to get to anything, huh? But this is gotta say, quite the time machine. Definitely takes you back to the day when these things were all over the place. I don't know if they still build them like they used to, but these were of a time and a place. So anyway, thanks for joining me. And again, if you liked what you saw, please do subscribe and like, and we'll keep making these. Thank you very much. Have a good time in the present day. Bye.